Hello, just making a quick video to show where to find the sources for the Week 2 source analysis paper. From the main course screen, go to Course Menu, then click on Learning Modules. From Learning Modules, this brought me right to Module 3. The first link in each module will give you a list of resources. The resources used for the second source analysis paper that we're doing for Week 4 should come from Weeks 3 and Week 4. So here we have three sources here. All three are a primary source. You have the letter from Martin Luther King Jr., the speech by John F. Kennedy, and a video with a speech by Malcolm X. If we go back to the table of contents and to Module 4, we'll see that likewise the first link here under Module 4 will bring you to another list of sources that are all fair game. Just remember that the only one that's not all right to use for this paper is the textbook, because it just would make for a poor paper. It wouldn't really apply and help you meet the assignment objectives. I hope this is helpful. Please follow up if you have any questions. Thank you.